A puppy was sleeping on the bed with his owner Timmy when they both heard a noise coming from the closet. Timmy was scared, so the puppy went to the closet to investigate. The puppy growled when he saw what was inside. It was a big monster. The monster reassured the puppy that he was friendly and gave him a biscuit to prove his good intentions. The puppy ate the biscuit and went back to bed. The puppy woke up the next morning to find that Timmy's head had been bitten off in the middle of the night. The puppy had allowed his owner to be killed, and he lived with that guilt for the rest of his life.